Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, we're going to cover another great plugin that you can only find in Eclipse. Today, we're going to talk about Auto Job Dictionary, which allows you to create a job dictionary automatically on the fly based on a word list. And this is version 1.1. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will benefit from it, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now let's take a look. I'm in Eclipse and I'm going to open my plugin manager. I'll click Available to see all the available plugins. And one of the first ones in the list is Auto Job Dictionary. I'm going to download, select and then enable. Click OK and restart Eclipse. I'll choose my user once again, and let's take a look at the description. This says it's going to add tools, real-time, job dictionary from word list to the drop-down menus. It's going to prompt me to select a target dictionary, and then at least one text file that contains a list of words. It's then going to spit out all of the possible steno variants for writing that word based on programming within the plugin, which you can change if it doesn't match the way that you write. Just let us know if you need help with that. This also uses things like your autobrief steno theory to identify patterns of steno that you do not want to use. And so this is going to give you an extensive list of entries that should simply allow you to write and get what you want. Let's take a look. I'm going to choose Tools, Real-Time, and Job Dictionary from Word List. It's going to ask me to choose a dictionary first. And I'm going to create a new dictionary for all of these entries to go into. I'll call it Auto Job Dictionary, but you can select an existing dictionary or a job dictionary that you already have. However, you probably don't want to put these entries into your main dictionary. I'll press OK and Yes to create the dictionary. And then I'm going to select the word lists that I want to use. In this case, I'm just going to use the analysis.txt that is produced by the Analyze Documents procedure. It will process the analysis.txt or any other text file you give it. And now I am going to get a list of all of the words that were in that txt file and a multitude of ways to write all of them that match the way that I write. And so within this document are all of the words that were in my analysis.txt, and each of them has a number of different ways in order to write that word. And so this gives me the ability to just write along on my steno machine and use my standard phonetics and get all of these entries without having to remember what I defined the brief as, or without having to rely on something like translation magic. This can help you quickly and easily prepare for complicated testimony without relying on you being a master of all of these new terms and new steno strokes that you've just created. Instead, this relies on your phonetic standards, giving you predictable results and easier setup, which will hopefully lead you to much less editing at the end of tough proceedings. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and keep an eye out on your notifications for new videos in the future. Thanks so much and have a great day.